Hello, it's Blue. It's October 4th, 2025, and this is the first demonstration of my AutoCoder agent. It's the project I've been working on recently. So we booted up here. We have the model budgets at the top because we are in a short budget. We're limiting ourselves to the mini tokens at 2.5 million per day and GPT-5 250,000 per day. That's what's showing at the top here. We have a refresh button to update the status of amount used on these agents, and we have the keys down here selecting which API key we want to call to, because we can use multiple at once if we like. We have to remember context down here. We have a workspace button, which whenever you click, it will append whatever's within the workspace directory to your prompt automatically, so the AI has all the context, a clear, stop, run, and history. It's the same thing as the tab up here, but we go to settings. We can set the autonomy, so the higher it is, the more likely it will be to ask you for clarifying questions when it's running through its coding and actions. We have creativity, so whenever it does ask you questions, it might also spout 2 or 3 extra ideas to add to your project. And then we have export context in JSON format, which all the actions that's run through this AI is in JSON format. So we can export context if, say, we want to close the program and bring back that context at a later date. We can grab all the context just like that. We have the API keys, so you can set them up within the API itself or you can set them up within the UI instead of having to do it through like a terminal CLI, which we had to in the past. We have a GitHub remote function, so instead of having to link our GitHubs, or instead of having to manually upload and download from the GitHub, we can automatically clone remote, setting the remote. This is the whole prompt right here. Goal to build a minimal but production shaped smoke test for Web3 crypto backend for hiring post describes. Deliverable: create or update is needed. Backend skeleton, Python fast API, service API with endpoints, and then we just have all the details down here. Okay, so we have our key set up. We don't need any workspace context because we're starting from fresh. We just hit run. 1 or 2 turns ago, because it's going into like kind of a bad feedback loop, whereas my AI makes it more efficient by being able to write all these files at the same time. And as you can see, I structured it in such a way that it would automatically git commit at the end. So we have a history now of our project skeleton. As you can see, these are all the files that it just made. So we have a title, initial project skeleton, notes, as face the API backend, DB migrations, watch your stub, UI, test, Docker compose. So we're gonna go to the directory of these scripts. So let me double check that it's still in the right folder, but it seems like the script files, dev ps1, I think that's it right there. Yeah, it's gonna be in the scripts folder. So we're gonna go to scripts, grab that directory, and then we're gonna go to our PowerShell.
I just want to say thank you for watching this video. This is just a demonstration of my AutoCoder agent code, and I'm looking forward to starting business with any potential buyers. I know this is coming up, but this is just old footage from a long time ago, and I was planning to revise it, but I'd like to just get it done. And thank you.